Hello everybody, Farmer Tom here and welcome to a slightly different video. If you haven't been keeping up to date on the channel, you may have seen that I was looking to start a new series as I felt that we're a little bit focused too much on just Farming Simulator. So I wanted to try something different to see what you would think of it really. And I was looking to start that new series where I go through and explain to you different facts and care tips for plants because that is something I enjoy. And if you're someone who likes these types of videos and would like to see more of them, please consider to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, as it will help me out and keep me motivated to try and create more of them, as I've got plenty of other ideas. So for our first episode today, I'll be taking you through everything you need to know about the Haworthia Limifolia, or most commonly known as the Fairy Washboard. You may be wondering where that term Fairy Washboard comes from. And it comes from the actual feel of the plant, because if you feel it, it has a very rough texture similar to what old washboards were like. If you're interested in fairy washboards, then really you're not alone, as they're becoming very popular due to their low maintenance and really quite striking appearance. Now for a little bit of history. The plant originated in South Africa, where it was first cultivated in the 20th century, before being later distributed and grown across the majority of the world. Due to its hardiness, it can adapt to many climates, so if you live in a colder climate, like myself, then you have yourself a perfect houseplant. But if your climate is warmer, then it would make a lovely addition to your garden. The leaves of the plant, or using their correct name, the rosettes, can each grow up to 12 centimetres or 4.8 inches in diameter, which form a dense clump. If the plant is kept outside during the summer months, white flowers become scattered across the surface, mainly forming a clump on the top of the plant. Climate-wise, the Fairy Washboard enjoys hot temperatures mainly due to where it originated from, ranging from 21 to 29 degrees Celsius or 70 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit. For light, it enjoys full sun to partial sun and dry soil. As it comes from a hot climate, the plant only needs watering once the soil has dried out, every 2 to 3 weeks, but again, this depends on your climate, and I would recommend that you check it regularly and do not let it get waterlogged. If kept indoors, a windowsill is an ideal place for this plant. During the spring and autumn, feed the plant sporadically, providing the soil with rich nutrients and vitamins. As this plant is used to dry climates, having free draining soil is ideal. A good example of this is the succulent potting mix, which you can purchase on online shops such as Amazon or Etsy. However, you must be aware though that due to the air being much drier inside, it could be a good idea to mist the plant maybe once or twice a week. Finally, to finish off this first episode, here are 3 reasons why you should introduce fairy washboards into your life. Number 1. They can certainly brighten up your home. This could be beneficial to your mood, making your house a happier place to live. Number 2. As they're a plant, they help in purifying your air, making your house a cleaner place to live. And number 3, finally, having plants in your environment can actually, if you didn't know, help improve your focus, so why not give it a try? If you have enjoyed this episode and would like to see more, then please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribing to the channel. And also add a comment below on what your thoughts are on the Fairy Washboard. Is it good or is it bad? Thanks for watching, see you soon!